Are you ready for all of this crazy holiday entertaining that's coming up? I have a tip to share with you today that I'm so excited to share in this video sponsored by Sam's Club and Coca-Cola. You ready for it? Get that party prep done online. Not all online shopping is created equal though, you guys, and Sam's Club has made it super simple with their club pickup. You fill your online cart right in the comfort of your own home, full of everything you need, from things like produce to Coca-Cola products like Sprite. And that's what I add to my cart and how I get everything I need for our uber popular holiday punch recipe. Then you can skip the register in store and just check in with the app at one of the kiosks in the store, or even just pull up to the outside drive-thru. Really, there's nothing easier than that. They pack everything up for you. You don't even have to step foot in an aisle if you don't want to. And that leaves you with more time for doing, well, whatever you want. And that party basically takes care of itself.